folks, Gary Dunshoe, Big Ben Saddlery. This month's Tack Tip, I want to talk a little bit about trailering horses. Whenever you go help the neighbors, or if you've got wheat pasture cattle or whatever, and you're trailering a ways down dirt roads, well, you get a lot of dust and dirt fogging in the trailer, and it gets up and underneath the seat jockey, under your fender, your stirrup leathers. If you have flat plates, it gets on the flat plate. And if you're someplace around the Red River or a place like that where the soil is sandy and that gets up underneath there, then it's real gritty, and it's just like having double-sided sandpaper up and underneath there. And then you get on and ride in the constant motion of everything working back and forth there, and you up on top of the saddle, it really works on that leather and thins it down just like you were sanding it with a sheet of sandpaper. And the way to avoid that is whenever you get to where you're going, just before you get on, throw an old brush like this in the back seat of the pickup, the nose of your trailer, just hit it a lick up and underneath there. Doesn't matter about down here or in the back or anything like that, but just where it's going to be motion and movement. You can do the same thing with a piece of cloth or something, just an old rag, throw it in there. Probably the best thing to use is this canned air like they use to clean out keyboards on a computer, things like that. Just get you one of those and keep it somewhere handy, and just raise that up, squirt there, and blow it there, and do both sides, and you're done. Doesn't take any time. It'll sure make your saddle last a lot longer. Thanks for watching.